Good morning folks, and welcome to a new video. Today's video is the repairing of a door canopy. The lead has come loose, and as a result of that the supporting timber has rotted. So this is over a bay window, and I'm slightly in the dark. I know possibly what I'm going to do, but there's still some unknowns. So ostensibly re-chasing out the mortar and getting the lead fixed in with spring clips is my main goal, and so let's see how it unfolds. So I think what's happened here is that the lead has come out of the chase, and then somebody, instead of putting the lead back in the chase properly, has put this fiberglass flashing over it, and it's leaked. Some water's got behind it, and it's blown out the chipboard supporting timber there. Anyway, I've got to make it good. So just offering this corbelling profile up to see where it meets the masonry, so that I can create a new piece of supporting timber. It's sort of crescented shaped timber.
Yeah, the light switches are at that side. So, here.
Yeah.
So that's why hinges are better here.
Yeah, got you. Yeah, yeah, will do.
Okay.
So the history of this job is that my customer was an elderly gentleman, a very nice fella, and unfortunately he got locked in the bathroom, extent where the fire brigade had to release him by chainsawing his door in half. So it must have been a pretty traumatic experience for him. So was employed now to change the door orientation so it opens outwards. So real life problems. Bought this casing from Travis Perkins and eyed it up, looked straight. So I had to cut it down on my table saw, and it kept nipping the blade. So I didn't know what was wrong at first. I cleaned out the all the sawdust from the works of my table saw. Realised that the blade was old, went and got a new blade, still pinching. So in the end, I was come across this a few times when you can get timber that's in tension. It's stable while it's whole. When you cut it, all of a sudden that tension's released. So what's happened with this leg here is that it's bowed. As soon as I cut it down, it bowed. So I've now had to put relief cuts in here. Get jam a bit of timber in to pull it straight, and then I just have to fill. Now I've screwed it in, and it's all straight now. So I have to fill these later. So real world problems. The other problem with this job is that right-hand architrave, some absolute bell end had fitted the shower screen profile onto that architrave. I mean, I can't believe who the hell would do that. So what happened was I had to leave it in place and put the casing up to it. Loads of issues slowed me down with this job, but I eventually got the job done, and I was very, very pleased to give this old gentleman some more security that wasn't going to happen to him again. Great job done.